Hello everyone! This episode opens the new series about document management in SharePoint. Most of the features that I will cover will be from SharePoint Online, which is part of Office 365. It's about basic document operations. I will talk about managing most popular document types: Word, Excel, PDF, and PowerPoint. Documents in SharePoint are located in document libraries. So this one, Documents, is an example of a document library. All SharePoint sites have got libraries to store documents. Document library is conceptually similar to a directory or folder on the file server, but much more useful functionality. Document library can also have subfolders. So you can create a new document in SharePoint by clicking the New button. Here it is. So you select a document type, whether Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or something else, and then just start editing it. So please note that SharePoint automatically saves your changes. So as you type, we can see that it's saving constantly into SharePoint. So you don't need to worry saving your changes. So when you're done with the document, change the name. And move on with this. So we have a new policy document in this example. So this approach is good to create a new document and copy-paste some preliminary text into it. That's because the new document is being edited in Browser Editor, which has got very limited functionality and often presents the document in an incorrect way. So what would be the better way is you select a document after it's created and open in App. So this will automatically open the corresponding application, whether Word, Excel, or PowerPoint from Microsoft, and you will be able to edit your document. Also, there is another limitation of that new document functionality. You cannot create a new PDF, for example. So it's only limited to Microsoft Office documents at the moment. The second option to create a file in SharePoint is by uploading an existing document into the document library. Straight here from the document library, you choose Upload, Files, then locate the documents that you want to upload, select it, and open. If the file is already there, SharePoint will give you a hint saying, what do you want to do? You want to keep both versions or add a new version to the already uploaded document. This is quite handy. Option 3 to create new files in SharePoint is drag and dropping files from a file explorer into document library to the browser interface. This approach would not retain version history and the original author of the file. I will later explain why it can be important in some scenarios. So what do? You open the file explorer, grab a file, and drag into the SharePoint document library. And that is all for now. In the next episodes, I will cover more document management. Please stay tuned for other videos and useful content. The series are exclusive to Bobo's Big Blog TV, so please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the updates and interesting content from our channel regularly. Goodbye.